In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the clone tool in Photopea. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro looking to enhance your photo editing skills, this is the perfect tutorial to refine your technique. Photopea, as many of you may know, is a powerful online photo editing tool that resembles some of the more well-known software, yet it's accessible directly in your browser. The clone tool is an exciting feature that can really transform your images, and we're going to dive into how you can master it. First, let's navigate to Photopea. You start by opening up your web browser and heading over to the Photopea website. It's quite user-friendly and won't require any downloads, which is great for those of us who are looking to quickly jump into editing. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an interface that is refreshingly familiar if you've used other editing programs before. Now comes the part where we locate the clone tool. On your left-hand side, you'll find a vertical toolbar with various icons. These represent different tools available in Photopea. Spot the one that looks like a stamp. That's your clone tool. The clone tool functions like a magic brush, allowing you to copy pixels from one part of your image and paint them onto another area. This is particularly useful for removing unwanted objects from a photo or duplicating elements with ease. To use the clone tool effectively, select it and choose your desired brush size and hardness from the options at the top. If you're working on something small and detailed, a smaller brush with a softer edge might be what you're looking for. For bigger tasks, adjust accordingly to cover more ground. Once your brush is set, it's time to define the source point. Hold down the Alt or Option key on your keyboard and click the area of your image you want to copy from. This action sets this location as your sampling point. Now, as you move your cursor to another part of your image and click, you're painting the sample pixels onto your new spot. You'll notice the clone tool moves in harmony with your cursor, continually providing a light touch of magic by blending the old with the new. And just like that, you're done. By methodically using the clone tool, you can effortlessly remove distractions, perfect backgrounds, or even create artistic effects that make your imagery pop. This technique is invaluable in refining your creative projects and giving your images a polished, professional look. There you have it. A quick guide on how to use the clone tool in Photopea. With some practice, you'll find this tool to be an indispensable part of your photo editing arsenal. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing the incredible work you'll create. Happy editing!